now. Nobody's going to blame you because a lot of people might be saying, she be on a godmother. Why godmother not fit talk to her?
Yeah.
But the truth of the matter still remains. Iye Nora, you get one anger when in the verse. Another anger one put full stop this year. Is it that she follow the lead or she go?
Yes, so
Now, what is the anger?
God forbid.
If me and I get you for his house,
Yeah.
she will think that the best way for her to go is to go on live stream. At the end of the day, if you don't go live stream, go fool herself, fool me, you can't rest. Is that wisdom? That is not wisdom. That is stupidity. Because at the end of the day, the people you are going to disgrace me and you to have nothing to give to you. If I now more problem they go use our cause for you, because at the end of the day, they'll go call those videos keep. Tell the user they saga you on the same husband tomorrow.
But you know like that. When we they tell you say, wait till they tell me for his ass.
Okay, because
oh, we tell him a story like that. A man that is no they do damage control. No, they do damage control again.
To carry Mama Nora go therapy.
No, they do damage control again.
Because they will get problem for his ass.
No, they do damage control again.
Because they will get problem for his ass. Now you go live video.
Wait.
No, because
no, they do me damage. No, they do me damage control again. No, they do me damage control again. Damage control. Now this pride make this matter lit it today. Your pride.
No worry, no. You use that word that no home is perfect. That is what you said. You said it. So when situation was going on, I called you. I returned it. I would say I returned the favor. I called you. I was like, my sister, if you know me soon, we know say a par error. Yes, big time. You understand? And the apology where he's supposed to give you, you deserve more than you deserve one because that's something where we say everybody go use against you tomorrow. I don't know if you get. So I will tell you, I say my sister, no worry, I beg, just calm down. Even though you want to beat a pass, even a pass come out, say we see a pass eye blue or a pass head say use a bandage, stay band hair. We not go after say pass what's happen. You understand? Because we not see her. You see why everybody will they with you from the beginning. Say Nora, we have pity for this one. This woman, what did they just do this woman? So you're not good. You understand? This is very bad. But you see, immediately you took your privacy, your marital affair to online for people like us. I would say include myself to call the judge. My sister, umay no azenwo, umay no also we don't even though you see decide say tomorrow say you are a partner, not get anything we want to do with each other again. We don't want to leave. Now entirely your decision and a part decision. It has nothing to do with us because to be honest, my your body maje, we not get any advice we want to give you now. We go bring peace to your home. We go only the add fire. Even the day we be say you go even rest. Somebody for comment section go trigger you again. It go be like fuel. When they pour for fire, the fire go explode again. We in this situation here, Nora, we have no use. You understand? What you should be thinking is this. Okay, by error. Do I want to still continue with this man? It's a decision you have to take for yourself. If you say yes, I want to continue, now you know where you go the condition where you go give him. Say,
exactly that one.
For this thing to continue. But if you say no, you can't bring her to us. My sister, we can only advise you wrongly. And that is the basic truth because we are human. We will judge this matter based on emotions. All of us, you see that women have plenty parts. 90% of women, we will judge this matter based on emotion. That, Enogie is a bad man. We know what Enogie do is very bad. Very, very bad. Because you disrespected your wife on the highest level. And that is the basic truth. Nobody go fit change her. You understand? But then again, it's left for you to make your decision. Nobody on social media will help you, my sister. I will tell you the truth. Because mine has never, even if you try to calm down, people go there with you.
He's too proud. A pride of Enogie, pride.
Yeah, no, that way mutia. Ayeta.
Web blog, or he love the comment section. Comment section, I support it. Oh, I love the comment section. Oh, he love the comment section. Support it. Oh, he love it.
When the media, when the media.
Yeah, no,
the media. Already the media.
Okay, yeah, no, okay. Wait till you ask you our next question.
Wait till you
next question.
Wait till you come out. You react when I come out. You realize the mistake now come out.
Yeah, no, wait now.
You realize the next question.
As all of us
go back clinic what here
big lady J don't call you.
Very simple.
Me myself I call you. Your mama is she called you. But I ask you one thing. Since when this matter don't take them media now, is like any solution come? Just be honest. No solution because they make you angry the more. That is just the basic truth. You even want yourself more.
Every day by day
Because
I know they explain for you because they try to use damage control.
My sister, tell you,
you are trying to which wrong. Not be your
man. Even all this thing
what you do not pass that one.
My sister, even all this thing happen so
this action will cost you back.
You cost me back.
Yes, it's a normal cost problem. It's a normal cost. If this action I'll cost you back. This is called if this action will cost you back. If you cost me that, I'll cost you back. If this your dirty manners, I'll cost you back. They say that they get toaster. Now they get toaster. When I not get bridge chat come out, una not see what they not get do.
You dey bring chat.
Now not see what they not get do.
Okay. Epa, to be honest, now waiting Mama Nora talk. Though I didn't even watch that live, that's what you do for YouTube. I saw a lot of things. And I say, brother, I will tell you, Epa, see, forget the past, who fed to who, not fed to who. But you see, they get the point.
Happiness, if you don't solve this thing traditionally, now me offend that before, but right now you offend it, and there's no case about it.
What made this quarter they hack? So
yes,
you had me for the beginning. You had me for the beginning saying now you offend me.
Because I not talk, I go cost me for media.
You had me for the beginning.
Now you go cost me for media.
I use sleep. You had me to they have me for public. Is this really you? Is this really you? They have me for public. It's how they cost me. I should public for you.
It's happiness. Take care.
Let me go on.
No, Mama,
no, this sort of comment section is too much for me because of Mano. I know how many sort I don't carry. Early advice.
They cost you.
They don't cost me for them telling me quiet for what? Because of you. For what?
No, Mama.
For what? You got where till you go? I'm not punish you because I beg I can't leave her. Go punish you. Go punish you. Happiness is where moderators.
Even moderator, please, guys, moderator, anybody with back
get that. She lacks respect from the highest order. Or every time we go young, so she needs to go and do cleansing. If not,
don't worry, we'll talk about that one later.
Carrying me to media is a no-no for me.
Wait, hold on.
They call your wife Pastor Grace for public. Me, they use damage control for them.
Carrying me to social media to disgrace me every year is a no for me. So for that reason, I don't know what I'm going to see what I'm wearing.
It's so bad.
No good.
If I hear what you talk, continue.
I beg, now my big fans, and I be your big fans. If you say your donation, I donate. Enogie, you need to beg your wife first. All the time when they talk, so you talk. Say, I know we we get pride. Can I go his house, beg her before you go do that thing, and that thing where they talk say no good, you go do them because of the children. And I promise you,
exactly.
Said the body next say, because of that children, I'm telling you.
That is just it. That is true.
I just beg you because I still get wife and children for us.
Let me tell you just now.
You need to beg your wife for one thing. I make that a son.
Exactly.
I make that a son, but you know the most wow. To say you don't know as you don't know look up.
My brother, where's he?
La Enogie. Do it was up with Ogwe. You said that we are doing it.
I'm not saying they donate to my platform. Adam, bros. When this matter happen, okay, this is not the first time when my wife did disgrace me for social media. Okay?
I know.
Adam, bros. All of us did this media. Not be only me want to be social media person. If me and my wife just get problem, and the matter pass the way it be, the next thing that comes into our mind is to go on live, bro. Not be wetin happen so.
I know.
I cheat before once they go on life. I don't be your papa. Osa, no. Osa, wait. Thank you, bro. After you don't go beat me for media, swear go for me finish. Because the way me cut the last, sorry.
But
Jesus!
Let me tell you one thing.
Jesus!
Enogie, if your wife for outside, a man call his phone, don't only his phone low, say you there house, man call his phone alone, say the man, you don't know the man, you be mad, go anywhere.
Yeah.
Guys, let me tell you, okweti si go and no more, but ona wake ya ekiani on my way down way. If he die,
Mama,
more to talk about tell the truth.
Osa,
Let me tell you,
Osa, I wish me you could sleep with the girl call.
No.
Let me tell you,
Epa,
okay, wait.
Epa, not to use that one. Not to use that one. Tell you talk and say I wish. Epa, whether you slept with her, you didn't sleep with her. See, Epa, let me understand. Epa, said we. Epa, hold on. Let me break it down for you, Epa.
Happiness. Let man talk to her. Hold on, please.
I beg. Let me tell you. When me wa wait off we line. O kame an ya asin buruwa.
Yes, don't so guys.
Yeah, was the buruwa no sunu. But when no balo we don't know. You know, come there all those kind of business. Who was why get break up? Who was delete everything? Or why remedy way? I don't understand. This will make them
I personally do am because she's a married woman, no matter what.
I know where a president who would get the girl. Look at this segway video.
No. Yeah, this segway where this gets the girl.
Wake your way as a presenter.
Epa, not verse. Sorry, I will come in here. If like say as a woman, I don't really know what they pay Mama Nora. I will tell you the fact that if to say maybe a random girl where she don't know, she don't get any relationship
happiness, not talk for Mama Nora. Me want talk now because me no say
beg your wife.
Enogie, my brother will wait because you know why you they do this thing now, you they use drag tradition. Stop using tradition. Enogie, you bring this thing online. Listen very carefully, my brother, don't be angry. You brought it online. So as you bring her come online, no expect say your woman go keep quiet inside. Because if you want to make your woman keep quiet, make it not they bring her online. Now your hand today, you know why? Ask me why. Because say you should acquaint it for the beginning. As you don't do that thing for that first time, the intro where you give us for the first time, you never replay the main record. You should have go to your wife straight, play everything, show her everything, and beg her. On the CCCO, I know say I don't fucked up. Forgive me, I beg. This get Bros, wait. Bros, please wait. If you just go inside, just beg. I beg, I fucked up. I know so you go verse. I beg, no verse, no worry. I'll make it up to you. I don't know say you don't marry, deceive me. I be 1 on 1 or 2 for your hand, blah blah blah. Me know Mama Nora is an understanding woman. Me know say he go follow you play that game. Do you understand? He go follow you. So, okay, what you want to do now? You want to bring her come and more disgrace her. I know, say he go join you now go down. But you did not do so, Enogie. You still do finish. You are begging. You they talk so you not sleep with her. It's not only about sleeping with a woman. Now be cheating. If I'm a woman, a wife to my husband, calling another man, no, is cheating. You don't already they date him already. You mess always with your man. We were dating. That thing go provoke your wife. Now blood they flow for your body. Exactly. You are still saying now beg, now and not sleep with her now. No, and not sleep with her. Of your weight, because this thing they take long now. Yes, I use God beg you, not that we are supporting her that say can't bring her come and taste swear. But the word that came out for your mouth, no, not fake and for here. Even you as a man, you will come and say that picking where you define and make sure say you no go born for me. If I gain that thing where I define for your hand, I go dump you. You can't expect me can't keep quiet.
Wait till you talk before I go use that word for you.
I don't understand. Even though I argue for his ass, you can't tell us if I get paper, I go leave you.
You know, if you say, I always wake up tell you say, if I get document, I come out. I'm not be Chris person. What did you say?
It's now they argue, now they quarrel for his ass.
I know. To be honest, now those one will not need to even go into that. No, Nora, we don't need to even go into that part. What you tell her, what you not tell her, I beg.
Enogie, that what you talk was too hard.
Okay, married woman,
wait.
I want to talk something before you continue.
Enogie,
Now,
if you just point this matter, I beg.
Now they say, wait, madam, they tell me now, say I offend my wife. Make I apologize to them. See what thing I do no good, Abi.
Yes.
Since all this year when my wife is disgracing for social media, how many of you don't fit tell her? May not they come media again.
Enogie, you bring your wife to media now. Enogie, you bring your wife come media now.
Hey, Wamuja.
Epa, I want to give you one example. You see Cora and the husband, they have been social media personality. Any of their quarrel, they always try. See, the foundation, this is what I said.
You don't, the foundation for the beginning now.
The foundation was already built on social media. And
social media already.
The foundation was built on media. And then I don't know why only apology because.
No, Epa, you don't understand. No, Epa, you don't understand. Epa, if you want to stop your wife from using media, now you are the man of the house. You tell us my wife.
Exactly. Now you go, you're telling her, no, thank you.
I don't want me to use her like that again. I'm going to tell you when you to use her. Not say you the demand for her. What I'm trying to say is this: if you want your wife to stop using media, it's still on your hand. You understand?
Happiness. Wait, I never finish. Because I know that make one statement. If you dare you say no, know what your wife thought today. Yeah, if you not listen to Mama Nora, wait, you don't be like happiness.
Wait, sister.
Happiness, wait. No, you have to listen to a wife. And not they listen. If you give your wife anything, you go. No, they know he pay. Wait, now more start for the beginning. When I hear this woman out, and okay, listen to your wife. You go know where the beginning. He cry out again today. Now say, now you teach me. Listen very carefully. Now you teach me. If I learn for your hand.
Yes.
You see, that's the foundation. You teach her, so you can see put stop. Enogie, you can put stop to it. Enogie, you can put stop to it. Enogie, yes. Enogie, no. If you know what make it made it happen every year, you can put stop to it. If you say your wife, they go. No, it's not like this. Enogie, it's not like this. No, my brother, it's not like that. My brother, not be like so.
We not say we dey support what she do, but now we try to find solution to a problem because the problem now obviously is this social media of a team. Where we say every small issue, everybody don't go social media. You know, you need to understand something. You don't be like person where be if I don't be like person where be a drug addict, I just want to give you an example. Where be say anytime with person you get small issue, the thing where be say it will fit to release the stress. Now to go ahead do anything doable. But he know deep down say that thing know they help him. But for that moment he want do one. If you not do one, it go be like say they miss something now. You feel take as you want to take out, but is Jama also talk as say na zook like is also a sickness that you can also treat whether you want whether you like it to hear it or not. It is the fact. So it's something that you can work on. This not something that maybe
happiness.
Sir,
the belief say you now see this so you are talking from experience. You understand? Yeah. See, I'm not say my wife not get right to talk to me for his house or do me anything that she wants to do to me inside. But going on live stream, now something when I don't they tell her say I don't like, not be this year I start on. Since last year, even last 2 years, when I tell her say if they quarrel for his house, let it be inside. Because after all this settlement now, the things that she said can never be unsaid.
Your pride make me come at your pride.
Meaning
you know that when you wait. You know that you wait. When I know on mute, you know that you wait. Wait. Oh, sorry, na mistake. I want to mute you. Sorry. Now let you know that if, as your husband they talk, so you hold on, so that when you understand each other because this one they talk. Now don't feel nothing. The message when I want to pass to each other now they fly. Now never know they listen.
Last 2 years, we're not like that. Immediately.
I'm not getting to apologize.
We wait.
Will you keep quiet? You so good for your husband finish call they apologize.
You wait.
So they bring your husband they call that video call
on the no, we're not supposed to even talk for this husband and wife matter. To be honest, really.
No, be sure
they know the way they do their thing before. So we'll just try and see.
Apologize.
Epa, can you just give your wife 5 minutes to tell me? She just tell you now waiting the versa. You go listen, but you know what interject. Just give her 5 minutes. So maybe you go take from what she they try to talk because obviously she they talk, you they talk, she they talk. The message when I want to pass to each other, just they fly. We know they put it on the fly. Epa, no, you are the talk. Epa, but you know interject. You give your wife 5 minutes to talk. She don't even come on. Say, So the thing is, it's tiring. It's
Madam Happiness, good afternoon.
Wait, so you just
Mama, I beg. I know I want to come down before. I don't know if I feel
you say you hate this happiness. If you not hate me, honorary Jesus Christ, they're not still hater.
Happiness. Now I see comment section. Mama Nora, I beg my people, I know verse. I will drop this in my account. Enogie, I beg, hold on first, not verse. See, no joy they pass man way they do social media. When he be saying, if error day, the wife not go comment. Like, one are not verse for names, so I want call. Like, men when they talk, so when people they talk. If woman not like this guy where no go a platform yesterday. And what they call her? He get other people, big people be say they see they do social media. Trust me doesn't marry. For marriage. Enogie I better wait. No marriage. Boss Enogie wait now. No marriage where husband and wife not the gay issue. But it not makes sense when it be say when husband and wife go get issue, husband go come carry social media, come on social media, or wife will come on social media, come there and narrate how everything they happen. It go for make sense, say no matter what thing happen, bite your husband for a year. Yeah. Use class, they break your head inside house, but not on social media. If now the man they carry a woman on social media, it don't make sense. If now woman they carry a wife, a husband on social media, it don't make sense. This social media of 18, it go good. If you be say you're a businessman, you they use social media till they make money. Let that social media be just for business only. Even though say you be bad man for us, me when be say they talk, some people they say I don't start too good though. The way to start, they say what? If not, maybe let's say this my woman come out one day, come talk the kind of person where I be. Now many of them go to see me like a year man. But let's be very honest. We dey quarrel. Not be say we not dey quarrel. Besides, now almost every time we dey quarrel for house. But no, but if you come our house, say maybe me and my woman dey quarrel, you don't know say we dey quarrel. You tease everywhere, they okay. Now me, sometimes I come with the tell visitor where come say, help me beg my wife, or I don't fuck up, or I don't lose God. Ask mommy angel where they here. Sometimes they will be say me and madam get issue. When it be say, we were even having phone calls. My wife said they talk. Mommy angel not know. Now me can't tell mommy angel, say, mommy angel, let me tell this woman, say me no, mommy angel say, wait till no say why we who? If they ask the woman, say, waiting no say, do not say, tell her, not be tell you say they quarrel, tell her say they quarrel. Tell her me tell you what he do. I had to come and explain. Mommy just come and say, constant talk, put and all those kind of level. See, my people, marriage, not if we're being honest, for people who don't say marriage, marriage like university or school, you can never ever graduate from. Exactly. Now, every day, now they quarrel, but make we not the carry on to public. Waiting day public outside, not be only saying that people go see them, children go wake up one day, come see them.
Exactly.
You understand? So, me, I for say, as this matter just happen, so you don't get more enough. Forget say maybe mama come like come talk. You don't get you fuck up big time. Big time you fuck up. If all of us they tell you no, say yes, say apologize. Mama not apologize. This one apologize. It don't make sense. Let apology come out from their heart when they choose to this thing. And besides, you know, another thing we not see like. I understand say your woman come out the other day, say maybe family give her paper. You can't carry and come they read down for social media. Say what the family tell her. What you want to do? What till you tell us last we will use and laugh now. Forget. They say when they play, they don't know say they will quarrel.
Yeah.
As family give her that this thing that yesterday or so when we see the talk. Give her accordingly. If she like Tiana. Or if she like come attend to her.
He not tell me, he not send that to me.
Not be social media. You know where we be. Mama, move them. Happiness, move them, I beg. Yeah. If it makes sense, say, when these people fight, finish for back. Whenever, even though say they over the quarter, whenever they open social media, they will deal with one heart. You understand? They go run out with one heart. When I go see, say, everybody go get joy. You don't see the way too often until they do the social media says. When it be say maybe say Pastor Grace, all of us they praise you. But and they go see they praise you, not get all this. Even though so now not love each other for us, but social media put it to say if now even don't separate, now even don't quarrel, no matter what happen for us, put on to social media say una dey okay. See, I beg this internet of 18 or social media, there are so many things we say we fit do inside. People will not don't use this social media to make better money. Don't use that to be billionaire, millionaire. Me, I will say me, I see get one kind level. Say me have it. Oh, I will agree. But again, what they are more hide our shame from social media. Because any disgrace, if not even good, so na come when they talk this thing. Make una fight inside house. Social media, if you no get Obama, I agree. If you no get, let me for even don't say by now. Whenever you open that platform, now that woman will be one collect, spoil your home. Now you're supposed to the insult. And they not get fight. You're not even supposed to insult that woman. If you insult that woman, you know, your papa not at the mama not at the year you say they insult that woman, you go to trigger them because you play along. You play along. You gave the woman the chance. And trust me, not be all man go carry go. Maybe if na me say, maybe the only thing will be say me for tell on say don't marry. Maybe if na me say na one kind single girl for 4 victims. But no come social media can't defend yourself. Only defend yourself to your wife. That's all I just have to say. Mama know that law at hand. Make una know the tell and say make the social media can't talk. Any other thing that regarding this thing, bros, make una lock up from social media. Make una fight and miss house.
Okay, me mama married women.
Comment. I don't condemn me other people come up. People where they appreciate you now for now to give me that job.
Thank you, brother Musa. Thank you.
Mommy, we don't want faster than I
No, I'm gonna let married.
Now she be married woman. Now she be married woman.
She finish her. She never finish that time. Married women, oh yeah.
Oh, yeah. I feel talk.
Go back.
Make it talk.
Now,
I feel talk.
Okay.
See, one thing, na me born for this man. Okay. One thing, they say, respect is a reciprocal. Matter happened that night when you want to play this record. Oga not tired. Oga don't play record finish. You just can't tell me everything. You say no, you're not gonna tell me because they had that for me. Can't explain everything to me. I know the more records see the. You say many days we never play. Many days we never play finish. Can't explain it to me. You say you don't tire, you want sleep. Now I say, boy, we they play this record finish just now. You not say you want sleep. What did this man was expecting? You know explain to me, not carry me along. You want me I call the help you the saga again. When this matter happen for one guy where you call I one of Bremen.
You know that Otis are passed away now. This is
said it now.
Yeah. I beg, I beg, man, don't be time. Otis are passed away. Just stick to this new one because now those one they cause a lot of things. Just analyze this new one. So now they use the old one to join because everything, if not, the matter not go finish like that. I beg, you understand? I beg, just talk, I beg. I just beg you, I beg.
So now good afternoon.
No, make she finish, I beg. No, let her finish first.
Enogie love social media pass his wife. Enogie go come I apologize to social media. You go beat me for his ass. Matter come at the paro that night. Why have we let you take play records? You don't knock, you play along, you they call the game straight. You no coffee explain to me. If man they beg, say, oh, I don't know why people don't understand where they come.
No, we understand. We understand. Continue.
When here all matter come out, I know the way bloggers say face me, say I be bad person. When rest now that girl cousin. This man never come, even if they not believe. This man never came out to defend. They say, not be wife cousin. But now this girl, now manipulate to say, what you they do with here? He not like her. What you they do with the rest people? He not like her. For that reason, put us for one conference call, for one group WhatsApp. Make that they know what they happen for there. And not give obey that girl. He really grab all the old moderator for WhatsApp group. Made the girl for the know me, my for contact me for no say, you know the friend there. But when matter happen, everybody they cry different platform, they cost me. Now I know gay, now your wife, now your wife, now your wife. If this matter no happen now, how they go tell no say not be me do that kind of thing? Something happen, you never say sorry. You declare say, I give up, Bele. That's you go even they use you, they make example. All that happiness somewhere kono happiness in who? In my kono when una the date, the matter don't come out for me already. Why you say me I not come out? The next thing, when I say we're not a law, my lie me down. Now who gonna lie me down? Even when they don't see break that night, I see they complain, they talk inside. The next thing, when I say we're not a law, my lie me down. My lie me down. You know we push many me lie me down. Oh we push many me lie me down. And when I say we're not a law, my friend there. Iwe. Imede we. Imede no proud brother for. Imede we. Uwasone. I never enter meet at that time no. Imede we. Uwasone. Yeah, one way. Yeah, one way. Neighbor. Na say okay. Hey, worry. They ni allow me there. Them are now going na so ni allow me there. Na push. Na say push enter me there. No feel like. Na say push enter me there. You never say sorry. You never say on you. Never know. You never realize. If they ever they use you and all that, they make example. Say not be people husband they give women belly. They don't there. Talk less of person we never fuck. Man we not feel remorse. You know if they admit say he wrong. Don't say me call realize for my own show. How you want to happen? If all tonight not they realize. Now let Facebook TikTok for they realize say he wrong. If they realize say this thing we do, I can say now you also make me push me and bear no verse. Okay, what see express say make I do? I go do an verse. You never ever admit before say because people they correct me say, "Mama, no, it's too hot. You for not use that head." Yo, no go to you they do me for his son. Swear they swear give my enemy. He pass that one. Now make I say he teach me. You want make love to me? I say I no agree to you. Go return your course. Go return your course. All this big work when they come from my mouth. Now this man teach me. Eh, bonomo gbe ewo wa. If me want to my own, go carry for go the video. Me go see content because say person will use that swear for me. I don't rest. It's okay.
I want to talk something. But you wait, I want to lift man go network.
No, now mommy, now married woman they talk before whether she did less busy.
Yeah. No,
Married woman, don't reach your trauma.
Talk, make she talk.
Let's say mama they busy.
Yeah, but make she talk. You know, so when I did in the spirit, they talk just now. I got tired, you know, say weak me, so make she talk.
Oh, Mona, give this woman Coca-Cola now. Coca-Cola don't finish. Where your hair grow?
Married women talk.
Married woman, where your hair grow?
Talk. Oh yeah, somebody did there.
No, this is me and another person talk. No worry, I dare here with you.
No, me Lady J talk. Mommy, big Lady J.
She never read. She did try this thing.
Truth is truth teller. Yeah, talk.
Okay, Una, good afternoon. Good afternoon to Mr. and Mrs. Enogie. My own be say from the beginning, Enogie, fuck up. We agree. But Enogie not really be once made this thing come social media. But the problem be say handle am well. He can't use pride to spoil. You know why I talk am? Mama Nora godmother talk just now say Enogie carry phone call am. Enogie carry phone call am. Tell am say see one can call social media. Call am make you talk to her. That one na sign say Enogie be no want make you go social media. That is why he call Mama Nora godmother when he feel say he go fit talk to Mama Nora. So that thing no go social media. But another problem wey come cause when me feel say cause am say as I no get call Mama Nora godmother, the Mama Nora godmother come talk to Mama Nora. He for put pride aside, still apologize to his wife. That way, Mama Nora might for sweet. Say, oh, my godmother don't talk to me, I hear. You don't still apologize. I believe say the matter for died down. But the fact say you call your godmother say make you talk to her, but you no still apologize. That one cause you trigger Mama Nora. And Mama Nora, the other hand, you not do well, not vex. For you to have disrespected your godmother, that was not a good one. You for still fair respect am. If at the end they no come apologize to you, because me I get godmothers and I get goddaughters as well. If at the end they no come apologize to you, you feel come later call your godmother say, Mama, you say make I rest just now. Till now my husband no apologize, so I go bring this matter come media. Maybe by so doing, that thing for still calm down. But because say you be the type, una be the media type, una always believe say that media una fit express una say, but e no good.
Man, we do something. I can't say my husband no apologize to me. Oh, grown up man. I can't say he no apologize to me.
Mama Nora, you know say this tribute.
I think I'll tell him make you apologize to me. He's your grown up man.
Mama Nora, you know say all these our husbands they get pride there, and that pride now they mostly scatter their own, especially Benin men. They get pride. Then all those pride they mostly scatter their own, but they no get a beg. Cutlass there with you. Everything where you need there with you to settle your home. Just tell Mama Nora, say, Mama Nora, no verse. Then by so doing, she will do the cleansing. Because you see that apology, Mama Nora still want time. All this thing where we just they talk. You see that apology where you know apologize the right way. She still wants that apology. And if you not apologize to Mama Nora, she not go rest. And Mama Nora beg. Not be everything. You try. No say you don't fair talk and say if your husband doing something. If you not talking for social media, you know they do okay. But Mama Nora beg. Try, I beg. Anything when you and your husband get issue, make you know they can't come social media. All of us with social media, we not go help you. Now the way we'll take talk, so now everything go day. And I no get a beg. If you offend Mama Nora, if she just tell you say you offend me, apologize for peace to reign. Because I'm sorry would have ended a lot of things, would have ended this thing. My wife, I'm sorry. I don't know. I fuck up. I for they carry you along because I don't know. And the things they pay Mama Nora say, you can't even the first one say make it come go support Bliss Omo for birthday. So all those things, if she sit down, they think.
God bless you, my ego, your boss. So you think my ego.
So if she
okay, true tell her, you don't do me another person talk. Thank you, your time,
I
very.
want talk, I beg.
Wait, wait, then Lady J they talk, I beg.
What my quit
Oh,
all
yeah,
the
Mona
job.
let President talk. You know, she
I
don't
Mona
talk.
I agree to.
Mona wait now. Mona big Lady J they agree. Maybe the man talk, maybe one go down, maybe they work loud.
The DJ no verse, I'll quick contact. What's it?
I bet you the put timer like that. Very nice.
Yeah, can I contribute a little
No, hold
bit?
on. Oh, hold on. Sorry.
Mama, Ben, no verse, I could use this
May
test
just
for
come down,
minutes.
I beg.
Mommy Nora, I greet you. God bless you, Mommy Nora. I want to touch on 2 points for this matter. First of all, Enogie, people they tell say Mama Nora not supposed to carry Enogie come online, come they talk about the matter. But if you check the way this matter take come online, Enogie was the architect of this matter. Now Enogie talk about Moblis from the beginning. Now Enogie threaten on Moblis say he go play record. Even Mama Nora not they aware of all these things. I beg, if I know say Enogie they support for you, more told the matter the way it be. Mona let me talk because this matter we need to be transparent. We don't have to be biased of anybody. You understand? You feel me? So from the beginning of this issue, Enogie and Moblis start this matter. Mama Nora was not aware of all this recording and the relationship. Now along the line, Mama Nora come and say, okay, there is a lot of crocus. Enogie, hold on. Enogie, hold on, okay? Hold on. Let me talk. I agree.
When I drop it down, either way they cost me.
No, I know they cost.
Either way between
I don't even know the person.
Happiness.
I don't even know the person.
Happiness.
No, Mark will talk.
No, now we go talk, bros.
No, be nice. You just came now, Lady J. They talk. You just come, I beg.
But wait, make a post. Enogie have no right to tell you who to drop. You will have to an opinion.
I don't know.
If you be my enemy, be nice. Now because you know my enemy. If you be my enemy,
you are my friend. I am not your enemy. But everybody will not support you.
Now my sister love you. They can also be support me.
No, it's not even, I don't even know people where.
Not be done.
Ida is a public figure. Ida is like TikTok king on this social
media. If I don't do now, I must go straight for the point where we there. If I'm not there, so we go now. If I don't do, allow. Why give me this year? I'm gonna go straight.
Mark, we talk.
I don't even know these people. I don't care if they do my thing. I know they work for all this kind of thing. Why you sure? Say why you bias Happiness? Was I the one that dropped him? Why not start any of that thing? I beg. So Happiness, this is wrong. I'm not the one. I don't even know who dropped him for the first place. I don't even know the person. I don't even know what. So let me kind of start to mind my business for this social media space. I beg anybody. I beg.
Mark, we talk. My own point. See, this matter. The way we come they talk about social media now, like as the matter come about social media now, like waiting will come like help for the marriage now. Not to use and take get view. That many people want use and do.
Let him send request. I don't know. I don't get any.
Not be say Enogie fuck up with no. Mama Nora, solve am for inside house na we dey talk already talking na do amo elada be show me because many people dey pass through the one wey worse pass this one for inside house o but na inside house na ye ayon ne because we are the one la we the motor picking eva ga iwa do yen do ata o ma say no advice we I wan give another advice so the ma be beg no gi have worse we have advice ye no you surprised say e no get even better pass them 100 times you have a way they want say advice. You understand? So since a godmother we go work you know like mama go work oh why me ya mola that show me dian no all show me we anything we
please just hold on
me ma do time we na we other female me ma do time we other female offend me other female offend me you understand but a media person if was any do am like that show me down when they want document to tie in argument it's a family lawyer.
God bless you.
You understand? When me now, other family I offend me. If family lawyer 80, ne argument survey. Me I don't want that social media because you know the advice in me. Oriyan what's the war? They are all they go give me advice. That is why the man get family. So if family lawyer we can't see. Always social media na help any issue you know. It go only the worst the issue. It go the worst one. This one go one advice and the comment section go one right. And mother I join. This one go say na partner I join. Whereas here we have more fire yo. Not be say they get anything, they happy. The reason they cure their depression. We begin all man what beg if social media can no longer can marriage we make ya. I way I want advice. If we do we me. Ere gbera monagea. E we effort to washer. I'm not royal when I like be hobo. You understand? So even though you're mad, you can do him anything inside us. But maybe marriage. My mother about that for men, maybe we'll get misunderstanding. If your friend come now, I'll coordinate. I'll pretend it's nothing happen. Or say any but they maybe continue. You understand? So, but you can't do more than the social media. They might do a contribute to me. They might not do analyze me. Or do whatever way, Lady Jane, are you wrong? Oh, where the advice me? On my family, a family organ, no way me. Now let that one with the talk to you, man. I don't be saying partner no offend you. He offend you, yes. He offends you. And
of course, I offend my wife.
Not even anyway. Oh, be am okwo. Una you assume you're not even wrong too. You understand? But always social media na matter. Because iya no ogwa yo, iya inibu ya zuwa.
They say ex-husband, all you know where last year.
Yes, husband.
Yeah, no, what are now? What did they not just for put?
Oh, Staffy talk now. Now let me support no get it.
Bros, I don't really, you know, say a bros.
No problem, mama. No problem.
Bros, wait. I don't really.
Okay.
I don't really
so,
know. I don't really know you. I don't know a lot of what
even though
I feel finish so that make I drop.
Make I land.
My just
make Lady J finish first.
Make I land. So
after Lady J, Vivi love them.
Anything whatever want to resolve issue na ye nora. Any matter like that social media because in have any happy no way. In have any happy no at least we make godmother. That's why you have godmother. Or we advise you. If you respect your godmother, uladian.
Thank you for the
Uladian, we understand. Try, no we are try, no calm down. I want to go. Go say that I must say. Also, I many measure now. Even I bother this, so I will call my. I feel call my friend. You understand? Also, when you hear yes, you really, you know. And how we go away. Lady J. You go give me my own wrong. Not be say. You are where Muladia. No, where Muladia la what in my image. I give Muladia social media. Social media any app. They don't get any app. They go destroy.
Somebody else did it.
That's just the real truth.
Okay, please bring Mama Unstoppable up because my daughter.
No, another person.
Please bring Mama Unstoppable up.
I feel talk now happiness.
Bro, wait. Let Vivi love to talk.
If you want to talk, I better not insult any.
No, Mama, I don't insult
anybody.
anybody.
Mommy Unstoppable up. Yes. Please, Mr. Ide, please hold on. Vivi love, talk contribution, please. Because you don't pay please. Just
I beg. Very important thing because.
Okay, Vivi love, la Mudia.
Yeah. Mona, wait, I beg. I'm tired of all this. I don't they depress me. See, happiness. Lady J, don't talk this thing. Thank you. Lady J, don't talk everything. You understand? We be here. This one talk. See, they put more fire. As Lady J just talk, now I be one your talk. I just leave me just they talk the good because don't they talk it in my mind. Mama Nora, I know gonna get family. You people are stressing us on social media for this black app. I don't they depressed where this thing test out. I don't understand. You supposed to calm down now. Yes, so make them calm down. Make them go call family. We're not there. So we want for 92 days. We want to see two of them. Love it, the reason now come on.
Exactly on the
Mama, because I wish I did there with you now fight. You don't mute yourself. May you mute yourself. You know who way not they fight you.
I just
mute yourself. We don't see there your back. Now calm down. Our family they settle issue. May you they calm down. I just God beg you. As Lady J just talk so is the best. I beg you. I'm telling you, see, happiness of this thing, they should go and settle their this thing. Enough of this thing, I beg. Enough. All of us there, this one contribute, that one contribute,
Major, you wanna come with me for a year? No,
you come with for here.
Okay.
No, you don't know what she did here. She felt
happiness. You open platform self. They talk about this thing self. If they make this woman head the boss, Mama, no, you need to relax.
No. Make a correct impression, Make a correct impression. I don't put platform because of this thing. I put platform because when I go Mama Nora platform, some people they tell me say happiness go and fix your vampire teeth. Now I say me they look for another thing they bully me. Okay, teeth. Now I'm
I feel talk about the matter, or may I not talk?
May I just say something?
They don't get why.
Talk. Let me not need to talk.
Can I talk? This is not this is no insult. I just want
they insult me for people platform too much.
They know I'm not insult you for here. I'm not insulting you. They know I'm not insulting you. If you know say I'm not insulting you, Enogie. Listen, mute yourself. Yeah, let me talk. I greet everybody.
Mr. Eden, but you promise you know we insult anybody.
No, happiness. I'm very listen me. I'm a very transparent person. Okay, I'm not here for Enogie or anybody. This matter day online. So I will talk about the issue. So it's right for me. I got the right to send a question. Okay, I want to talk about my own point.
Of course,
God bless you. God bless you. So let me go to my point why they talked before. A lot of people they say Mama Nora now they can't drag the husband, they not give a platform. But let's go back to the root of this whole Mobliz issue. Mama Nora not even there aware say Enogie and Mobliz get one or two. If all of those they wash out, now Enogie insert say in they come for Mobliz. Even when Mother said, help me thank my husband, or help me thank my husband from those parts. Until when Enogie they play this voice note, this woman was not aware, say, something they go on. And they no game, where they talk. So, for example, people they say, Mama Nora, yazo.
This Vivi love, I'm sorry. Yeah.
You guys should hold on. This woman, Okonoma feel where you are, this woman not cheat on you with another man. They will not zo what he wants zo for you. For example, this whole issue, Mama, hold on. This whole issue was started by Enogie. Enogie start all these things, and all these things will be say people. Some people they assist people. They talk say, Mama Nora, you insult your husband. Mama Nora, you went too far for there.
Okay, Mr. Eden, I think ask you one question. I beg you.
Okay, ask me.
Where
yes.
Okay, Epa, where do sorry, I don't remember video.
Oh, mommy, you can't remember video because I grew up in the UK as well. Okay, remember
yeah. Maybe Okoyalo will be abomination.
Yeah, correct.
Maybe when you call Ladani. Abomination we know.
Very wrong. Okay, can I land?
And for the children.
Yes. Yes. Okay, that's where Mama, hold on. That's what I contribute my contribution with this one. Now, Mama Nora, first day she didn't break the egg. Just because if you check this matter really well, when Enogie played that voice record, Enogie, if you even take this matter away, Enogie was always playing about on Mobliz. Even the record we do for like platform, Enogie is trying to defend himself to people on the public. Mama Nora is so innocent in this case that this woman Enogie won't implicate you. I say, I know what they talk. I'm not saying I did against Enogie. Two of them are happily married, and truth be told, if Enogie not did transparent to your wife, even say we talk this matter for social media for 3 years, if Mama Nora not dey okay with Enogie, what Enogie they do, we cannot settle both of them. Me and you were there, they contribute. So this my contribution, self. You know, go make Mama Nora say, are they happy with this man? Because
okay, wait, as a man, what you want to advise if I Enogie now as a man?
Wait till I want to advise Enogie as a man. Enogie know the rightful thing to do. You need to make your home happy. If your home is happy, you will be happy. If you be man will get rest of mind for your house, you go get when you can't get breast for your chest. Enogie know what to do. Not be we don't please people online. Mama Nora, don't be like me. I've heard they against Mama Nora before, but since when this issue come, even if they use and want to make money online or anything, not really matter. But my brother, I know if you say this, I'm not sagging you or anything. But you need to arrange your home. Who be your home? So we go work blocking the road, not be the wall. The people who dey inside the house, that be what. Enogie, stop all this your two-faced thing. They paint your wife, no yazo, or do yazo. What happened? Why would you use that harsh word against your wife? Say, I will be here by what are they do for you? It's very wrong.
Why are you just stay
No,
down?
Mama, I'm going to go down because you know say I not me. I be fake account to people, nobody, but I'm not there against anybody here. This matter, if anybody, even also you carry this matter, go give anybody a bet. If you cannot go, if they still hear the matter, say give it no sooner, give the matter yes no, they go judge against Enogie 120%. You went out there to message another woman, even if the woman is single or not or married. You are a married man, okay? They don't feel for them too. Where please toast me. Please toast me. That Mama J, please.
If I ask you a question, no.
Where, Mama, where?
DJ, I know what.
What?
But the Mobliz, what Benogie, but Magba Mobliz.
Mobliz, hey, I want to born nigga Mobliz no raw. Mobliz is that one not deserve man. Mobliz not deserve man for a life. Mobliz, kuna wedding that one pass. But let's talk about Enogie and Mama Nora because these people,
for the peace of
their
their
family.
Home, talk about so.
Yes, Enogie to we know. I tell you this matter. I'm going to platform 2 million times. If Mama Nora not there happy with Enogie, you know go finish.
Mama Nora right too. If we not the talk say Enogie right.
Yes.
We don't the only they talk say maybe Mama Nora they bring her come out again for social media because
okay.
We have a lot of social media.
Bless you, Mommy J. Bless you. That okay, well down. A matter now. That's why I started from the beginning down. A matter more bliss never Enogie now. How well social media, Enogie was the architect of from the beginning saying, Mobliz, I'm coming for you. Mobliz, I'll bring you down. Mama Nora not also Mobliz, I'm coming for you. Enogie okbe record, Enogie omo chat la dia. Or just that Mama Nora was surprised that he or that female were winning now. If you listen to the live video, Mama Nora call us and Enogie say, winning now. This is, let's be honest, Mama Nora issue here.
If I no get him winning a chat, that's what you are saying.
No, Enogie, listen, let me tell you something. Enogie wasn't aware this message will cause so much damages to him. It's okay. It's okay.
You see my patient, I see without you. You got the badge of only me. So the woman.
No, Enogie, listen. I'm not. Okay, I'll let you talk. I'll let you talk. Talk.
Either.
Enogie, listen. I'm not bashing on you, my brother. All I'm telling you is. He
doesn't let her talk.
No, I know they against Enogie. Enogie, repair your house. Who be your house? Mama Nora, your children. Repair them. Repair your family. This problem will say, Mama, if Mama Nora they happy, you go come online and say, I bet fans so Mama not verse my husband do. We don't settle.
Maybe na mistake. No, mistake. They take me to you.
Yeah, you understand? They go say we don't settle. You understand?
Why they bring Enogie down? Why?
No, if
I go down by itself, na mistake will take me to pa.
Na mistake.
Like Guido.
Because you they blame me will be man more than the woman where they married. Now they try to do so. When we keep going saying, you know me you put. I'm obliged to go back. Why they why down? He can't come away.
No problem. Thank you very much, guys. No wahala. Arrange your house. God bless you.
Don't say because they not there your side. It not cost you. Enogie, listen very carefully. Wait till he talk. We dey alone settle. We know.
We know, but as far as
Enogie no insult you. We dey for you and your wife more settle. Now you don't comfort. Please, you don't be tired.
Settle me and my wife every year.
They take it out of social media. You know the right thing to do.
To take it away. She should go and do
Take your wife inside.
She should go and do the needful. Because assuming
Which
she
need,
open her godmother.
Enogie, the needful had to start from you. No, Enogie, the needful had to start from you.
See,
as the man, you are the man. No, now you be the man. My brother will tell you the truth. Believe me, my brother. Take your wife inside. Hold him. Wait, happiness. Make I talk to him. See, Enogie, carry your wife enter inside. Do the needful. You say, okay, I know, so I don't set up. Oh yeah, you too. Oh yeah. Before everything go there, he go listen to you. You don't know the situation you tell hold this woman. He go listen to you. Not by you raising your voice or shouting. Take her inside. Oh yeah, I don't do now.
After the Ogun,
he go return. I know gays talk now.
Happiness, I want to talk to Papa Nora.
Okay, you want to okay. Okay, Mama, stop it.
Happiness. It's my turn to talk. I'm here for happiness.
Be nice, understand.
This is the second time I came up to talk, and nobody's listening to me.
Okay.
Oh my God.
Be nice. Big Lady J. Big Lady J.
I don't like more than the quarry at all.
Yeah. Oh yeah, be nice. Oh yeah, talk. After you talk,
Enogie Mato, I greet you. Can you listen to me? Enogie, I greet you. It's my turn. Okay, see what I want to say is this. You see, I hate when people paint walls. You understand? Let us go straight to the point. Either I've already said a lot of things I want to say. You understand? Let us touch some places. I think Enogie is trying to play what we call damage control here. He's my friend. You understand?
My brother.
Enogie, listen, I'm not talking about that on my
The other day, I said you post your wife, you not post your wife, most.
We not say on my bliss now, that one her own, not the one side. But we are just care because we are public figure in our own side. Okay. You understand?
Be nice. Okay. Be nice. Be nice. See, if you want just contribute on the matter, not insult anybody by saying
happiness. I beg. Maybe I over the react. Now let me calm a little bit.
Okay.
Now, when they try and make me understand, when I make me understand something here, I think I'm overreacting. Okay, explain to me now, happiness. Or a godmother girl when I explain to
your mother-in-law said she want to talk to you.
Papa Nora, I want to talk to you. I beg. This matter don't dey too dey long for ground. Me myself, I don't tire. You understand?
Yes.
If una never tire, me don't tire. Me, I tell una the truth. You know why I fair attack Mama Nora? Happiness, Because before all these things start, she called me. He did here. Even Enogie, me and Enogie talk. Enogie tell me, say, make I talk to her. Say she say she want come out for social media, call beat her. You understand? Call saga her. I talk to her. Now, why I even verse Mama Nora in all this? Now, because say she not listening. She still carry and enter social media. That is the only error I see. Or come they break egg. Take they cost man where they climb you, where you born your children for. That two things verse me. Any other thing not verse me. And to start with, I don't give Mama Nora error. Papa Nora, me I tell you, I go tell you your own error as well. You get a big error. When I say big, very big error. You get it? That thing, as you are that lady, what you call her more, please, Abby, una get issue, before you even carry anything on social media, when you respect your wife, you call your wife, sit down. You dey hear me? Even before you say you want to play record, you go play everything, not have fun. Not even add anything. Be raw to your wife. This is your second half. It's like you. Play everything to her for Isa house. Tell her, say, I want to carry this thing, go play for social media. Because this lady don't offend me. But my wife, see my hero, see everything. You go play her. Your wife go listen. Una go fight, put for Isa. That time, you never go carry her enter social media at all. Your wife go listen, una go quarrel for his house, una go settle una self. When a mic don't come down and una don't talk her off for his house, then you will come social media. Then you complain. That time, whatever you come they play for social media, your wife not come react because she don't already fair react. She don't listen to everything. Let's tell ourselves the truth for this matter. If I want make this matter quench, may we hear the truth. May we not try to pamper this one or pamper this one. You get that? Both of them are wrong. Mama, Enogie, na wrong. Well. Just the Mama Nora call variate. You understand me? Now only that one I blame her for, because I try my best for Issa has to quench this matter. But Enogie not play that rule. Enogie want play a rule of na me be the house, na me the man of the house, a tradition man. I can take 100 wife if I want. No, Papa Nora, it's not done that way. You're supposed to, you know your wife too well than any of us here. You're supposed to call your wife Issa has first. From A to Z, let her listen to all the record. No matter, even though you wrong, go, let her listen. Now your wife. When on a fight finish for us, you can come on social media and play whatever. If not me, I go still vest, just that I not fit carry my husband on social media. That is the only thing. But what I go do for his house, he go pass what this one do for social media. You understand me? Mama Nora too overreact, and she know the listing to me. Now that one they vest me. You understand me? Papa Nora, we know for that one, I say you go do cleansing. Let me tell you, all of us now traditional person, we know where we come from. She cannot do any cleansing. She, even though you even call your family, sit down and say, she can't do cleansing. The only thing they will tell her, they'll say, me go take that egg, give me to return that cause. Make it put water for mat, me to return that cause. A can now way cleansing is when your wife cheats on you. When your wife does abomination, or when he try to give you food poison, or he try to betray you. Now their family for the con. If you carry this matter, go meet your own family, Papa Nora. All of them will blame you. They're not they stupid. They get wisdom. You are wrong. But Mama Nora is wrong for bringing that issue to social media. Now only that one I see for this case. I don't see another thing here. You not first tell the truth to your wife before you tell the truth to social media people. Meaning,
now,
at this case now, you value fans more than your wife.
Nailo, now,
I dey hear you, sir.
What now they try to explain to me in details. Say, anytime I go into misunderstanding with her, she will come and swear or go for me first before we will not settle.
You know you're waiting me they talk. I not support that one.
Because this is not the first time where this woman they carry me, they call social media. This is the fourth time. This is the fourth one.
Okay.
I'm not
Don't use that justify. Don't justify yourself. Calm down. Calm down, beg. Daddy, calm down, beg.
The one when me try to do before they
drop me. Happiness. I will talk and go down.
Wait. The one way for the apple before. Now me I get quarter 2024. Where it probably come and says, cost me. That erase for more than 10 weeks.
Thank you.
That erase for more than 10 weeks before we rest. Now what is the happen? Mama Nora get one devilish spirit in her. When she does this, without the exchange word, she feels that to go on media is the best. This woman don't even know whether they put money for her head.
That will not the quarrel. Since 2024, will not the quarrel.
This woman not even know whether they put money for her head. That's what I talk they say. As a man with 20 years experience, if you want to put money for woman head, make sure you get documents before you go put money. Not say make they go put money for you, make they do it, because if that woman don't know whether you put money for her head, because you just see her, she begin to burn for you. Now I'm go your own. She not get that spirit of a wife in her. I don't tell the talk. This is the same person when you apologize to person if you wrong person. You know that if you hear not offend you, you tell her say you offend you. If you tell you sorry, you know you go say you get that. Now this same person they want make I call the talk sorry to her. You are lack respect. People know not be
but not be all those one you want to say now. Daddy, yo, may you calm down. You dey fair peace for this house now. Daddy, yo, when mudia, you don't think they go deep.
At the end of the day, we go don't settle the matter. The one we should do now here as a guy never. Because of her stupidity. Because
she go yes, we know, yes, she go change for that social media part. Yes, we know so now.
Because all the women when they talk this one, so me never see any woman for this life. We carry husband come out this all the quarter almost to
you carry me sit down, tell me everything, I go come out.
Because I not carry you sit down, let me keep
okay, you know that way.
So you see the reason why I don't feel understand.
My mother don't talk everything. Man, I don't answer. That woman don't talk everything. I wrong and fair.
Yeah, Nora, you supposed to apologize. Mama Nora, you supposed to apologize to your godmother.
How many times did they run that affair? Eruka will run the last 2 years. Maka will long.
I say you go call your godmother. I mean you apologize to her.
Happiness, I agree to now.
So you not concern me.
Happiness. Mama, let me stop. Mama, let me stop it for go down.
Happiness. We close this matter. Because if we talk Natty tomorrow, it be like saying, no, get my brother. They justify himself. You know what? Take I want to speak the English. So the mistake we don't do now. You see,
accountabilities.
Thank you for the English. Enogie now see they like argue. Okay, may come back. May you are only condemning your wife now. You are not condemning yourself. You be like say, will they force you? May you beg? Enogie, nobody they force you. May you beg. As a man, you know the right thing to do. I will repeat it. You see, no sir climb out just now. That tell say no sir not the fucked up. Fine. The difference be say a wife not the con social media. One can they talk with it they in mind. It no go come. Now the mistake, be Mama Nora. We know that. And the moment you beg your wife, apologize to her for what you did, I believe Mama Nora, she's going to apologize to you and bless you and pray for you. It can't be like say, when they force you, they tell you what to do. A man of 40 something, I don't get you get lots of me. I know that. Now one trouser for don't fight. Now me and you go come out for streets. Now me and you go come out for street and no get will fight. May they know what will they fight for. Say the only man will offend the wife where they claim rights. What are we saying here now? Why beg happiness of the platform? Mama, no, I not open platform again. Call your family. Mona settle this thing. I beg you. Call your family.
So make
take a cheap piece. Relax. I beg.
Me, I know why
this is not too much for social media because I don't invest.
God bless you, man.
Thank you.
So, see what I want to say is this: happiness. Okay, let me get straight to the point. Mama Nola, I will start by saying too much of everything is bad. You understand? You get where person go verse reach, the person go still say, he don't still do. You have to talk to yourself. You understand? We all know you support Enogie a lot in this social media. We see the role she play when your husband there live stream. You understand? But what I will tell you for this issue, please calm your mind. Calm your mind. We know say your husband fuck up.
Be nice. You owe me apology. You don't condemn me.
Yes.
And me make her remove you.
I am sorry. Uncle Clem. Push me. Yes, now me say
you know that be nice. I apologize to her before you continue. Just
okay, you know, I said you suspect your husband say he cheat on he toast E and O. I am sorry about that. No, you get one more they call Uncle Clem. Now tell me for WhatsApp.
You say na me advise my husband make it drop E and O.
Yes. No, I am so sorry, Uncle Clem. You get one more they call Uncle Clem.
She's the one that
I am sorry.
You know, are we sorry?
I am sorry. I am Uncle Clem. I don't know anything about Uncle Clem. If you know Uncle Clem for you, now tell me for WhatsApp. I am sorry.
Oh my God!
So what I'm saying is this, Enogie, your wife not get any cleansing. I just they see you for almost 2 days now. They say cleansing. Say she break egg. I was like, what is going on? Did this man want to use this as an excuse for what he did to this woman? Did you want to hold on this so that this problem will continue growing? You understand? So at that cleansing, please, my brother, I want you to drop that side of you have to go cleansing, do this. All of us are from Nigeria. We know how your wife did not cheat on you. And the way I see Mama Nora, she's not planning to cheat on you in the next 5 years to come. You understand? Please.
Which one be saying the next 5 years forever? Like, which one be saying the next
forever?
5 years?
Mind the words you tell your wife. She's a woman. Remember, these people talk. And you are a man. You are the one to calm her down. If as a man, you tell her all this kind of word, what do you expect from her that is a woman? You can't tell a woman, oh, I will leave you. It's painful. Just, if the key heart, you see Mama Nora come to social media, you could say, why the open camera, why the open life? No, this woman, she's pain. She have to speak so that her pain will release.
Yeah, but not be we go help her. So
yeah, wait. When she, I'm telling you something. You don't know the pain she feels when she's silent.
I know.
You understand what I'm saying? This woman is just looking for somebody to talk to. And the only
Sorry,
person
sir. She not tell you say she don't have who to talk to. She get people to talk to. She got people to talk to. Social media cannot contribute anything to that marriage. Don't tell that one say she on camera. You are advising her she did well. She never did well. Don't use that word. Say she need to talk to person for social media.
Madam, he says she on camera. Carry matter come social media. I will tell you that it's not this woman that brought this matter to social media. The way me and you hear this matter is the way this woman hear this matter. You understand?
Okay.
And that is why she's
That
pained.
is not
I think
true, sir.
most
That
people
is
who
not
talk this
true.
thing.
Not be the
nice.
way
Thank
we
you very
hear the
much for your
matter, and so
contribution.
she hear the matter. That is not true. Want to talk with
Thank
this
be
way.
nice.
Happiness
Thank you very much.
no drop me.
Mola,
Make I
let
talk
her
finish.
talk
Happiness.
No,
finish now.
finish.
Happiness no drop me.
No, I know they
It's
drop
my
you back.
time.
I know they drop any talk finish now. That
Okay,
finish.
so please, I will round up now. Please tell Enogie. Let us be sincere. All of you are
they
women.
tell Enogie
Please.
now. If Enogie is here, they listen to you
I
now.
hate when you people are telling Mama Nora she's wrong. Mama Nora no do anything
Hey,
bad inside this issue.
Be nice. Sorry, sir. Do you know the aspect we are coming from? We are just telling you.
Yes.
We know they say she did wrong for. Say she did the way she did react. Say she did vest. But what we are saying is bring coming on social media when you have people around you that tell you no, don't do that. There's no solution to that. And with that egg, by like laying a curse on your husband, that is the place we are advising her as a sister. Not that we are not angry because she's reacting to what happened. That is not it. Now only stupid person go vex for her. She has the right to react. That is not even what we are saying. What we are saying is this, my sister, the way you reacted, it was wrong because we were there in social media. We will not get able one radar, you number one. Number two, that cause of a team. You understand? I know so you the vex. You get all right to be angry. You get all the rights. Nobody will stop you from that. I don't know if you understand, Mr. Be Nice.
Yes, do you know where I
Okay,
expected
Mr. Be Nice, it's okay. There are other people in the bus. Please just
where
1
I
minute
expected
more.
Enogie to play maturity here, and Enogie is playing that maturity that I expected him to do. You understand? He's been that man I want him to be. You see, I was expecting Enogie to raise his hand on this woman, but he never did. That is where I give him an accolade. You understand?
Let me clap for
please,
that.
Enogie, right. I will really say, please, beg your wife. If you have anything you know she will like, do it for her. That's what I have to tell you. You are the man of the house. She don't need to do any cleansing for you, please.
Thank you very much, Be Nice. Thank you. God bless you.
Ask Gladys. Ask Lady Gladys.
You are nice. Ask Gladys.
Please,
Okay,
2 minutes. So
good
just 2
afternoon.
minutes.
Good afternoon.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Enogie, Mama Nora.
Please go up again, because this matter, I know just I beg. No more.
What's me see for the issue? Mama Nora, I still look her like because I don't they watch her for long. Now already one kind of person will be say I still like. And one thing I notice about her, if she dey angry, she don't know how to control it. You not get what the person want tell him. Even listen, if closest person call him at that moment, she don't dey vex. She not get what she want do again. Have to come on social media. For everything when she do, she is right. But now coming out, that be the wrong. At least this man is your husband, not be stranger to you. Now person will be saying now they live together. You fit even do anything for him for that private. You know concern us. But you bring it tomorrow now go still settle. But this thing is still going on social media. If you look now, this quarrel una they quarrel. People they bring the one una don't quarrel. That's now 24. They come up. If they rise again. 24. They come up. If they rise again. If they rise again. So they come up. So the best thing, Mama Nora, this man are your husband, and Papa Nora, this woman are your wife. You coming out on social media say she not be wife. Now woman own I don't date, not be 1 year, not be 2 years, not be 3 years. Now don't pay. So not be now when she don't give you 4 children, you go say she know they do wife duty. No. She's capable. Now four picking I give you. So she try. No woman when go down on her shoe, go take this kind of thing. They easy. No. Even me if I will do worst. Our own problem is coming out on social media. It's your husband. You can settle it as a married woman talk. You get family. You get mama. You get call them. But you bringing out on social media, you they bring your husband down. And your husband too bringing out, they bring you down also. So exactly. I beg. All this talk when they talk, I not say not go solve anything. But you guys should just go and settle it. The next video won't go come outside. At least Mona don the kids they do for live video. Now we want see. Not be course again. I beg Mama Nora, I beg.
Thank you very much, Asladis. Thank you.
As from today, investor, Atie Yenora, my strength. Atie
No, you not use that word for her again.
Self-love, we are the
next.
next.
They call her my strength.
Good
Another way, Atie my strength. So, investor, Atie my strength.
Your time don't they count, I beg.
Na person they talk now, and I make me keep quiet. So, good afternoon. Everything where everybody don't they talk since now one particular thing. So I don't really have much to say because if I begin they talk, I go be like say wait till everybody don't talk. Now one person they talk. So what I have to say is that Mama Nora, you know, say that thing where you do is very, very wrong. Wait till you go do, you go carry egg again. I know say you don't already fair use water to return that course. So you go carry egg again. You go if you not get native shock, take rubber, use powder. Take rubber, use and pray for your husband, use and return that course. How my work boru egg bibi, if you know the go of a Dutch ladina. Your ebeni also, but because he's the father of your children. Beneath the user they make parable say oh manuze or maneho. Agwa my bounce keni weji. No matter what, if una dey quarrel, no dey cause am. I beg. All those cause, you just feel say na normal thing, but not be normal thing because the power between life and death lies in the tongue. Not let hunger they make you they always they curse your husband. Una dey quarrel, you feel quarrel normal, but that aspect of course, I beg my sister, remove am for instance. Since everybody they talk one particular thing, sis. If you sit down, whether you maybe people will cut this video, come out, sit down again. Listen to what everybody talk. You must. He say that they talk and say in every nonsense there is a sense. Try pick some words for inside. Work on yourself. I know say as a woman this thing really pain you. Aspect of bros Enogie, your husband. We know say what he do, he not do and well. If as we will be woman, if any man still do that to us, we go still quarrel. But as if you beneath this are they make parable say no biomuke or even no more. Mama Nora, you know say she get hot temper. Sometimes if you know say you don't offend her, you know what she dey like. Me, I dey say she dey always dey talk say she like perfume. You fit go outside buy perfume. You don't know say I don't already anger this woman. If you come up for us, if you dey come back buy flower, buy perfume, what she dey like. Use and apologize to her and say honey I beg, I know say what I do you today no good o, I beg forgive me. Matter go die down. And aspect of document where dey inside so. There is a way you can get a document in this Dutchland because I live in the same country. I not say for you before I get documents. It's just that when you not get the knowledge of how to get documents here, now you go they hard. And I pray no get abeg again. Try me go with people who really get knowledge on how to get documents for you. And for me, I believe say 100% you go get documents if you me go with the people we know how to get documents for you. You understand? I beg that document you go see get and so now wait till I get to talk. Now I be down one.
Amen to your prayers. Okay, I think the next
That's 50 the talk.